Hi you beautiful mommies, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel The Baby Steps. I am Sabas Callum and I share interesting, healthy and nutritious recipes for you little bumchucks. And since winter has started, so I decided that today I am going to share a recipe for cough and cold. Yes, it's a food for cough and cold. There is no medicine in it, all natural ingredients, very healthy, nutritious and your baby would love to eat. And before proceeding further, please consult your pediatrician before introducing any semi-solids to your baby. And finally, don't forget to like, share and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel. And here are my ingredients. This is any regular idli dosa batter. So you can take a ready-made one, or if you have prepare at home, you can use that. Then some grated ginger, a small quantity. I'll use a little bit of nutmeg powder. Some magic potion for frying, and finally my superfood and health shot, which is honey. Now I'll tell you in between why these three ingredients are going to be useful and making this particular dish as a winter dish. So let's get cooking. So what I'm going to do in this batter, this mix it a little bit. I'm going to add my ginger first. So I'm adding the ginger first here. Let's add the ginger. Then I'm going to add just a pinch of nutmeg. So if you have heard your nani dadi maa ke nuskhe, then you must have heard that ginger and honey is very good combination during winter season. So when your baby has cough and cold and you give him ginger and honey, it helps him soothe his throat. And what nutmeg actually helps. So if your baby is congested, nutmeg will help release his cough. So now this mixture is just ready. See how quickly it gets ready. Now let's go and make our beautiful uttapam or pancakes. Let's switch on the gas, and can you see I have bought a new small cute pan. You like it? So I have switched on the gas, kept it on very low flame, and just drizzling a little bit of ghee to it. I don't know why it's not coming, so let's use it directly from the bottle. Yeah, just a bit. Okay, and spread it with my equally cute brush. Okay, now next I'm going to pour some batter to it. So this is my batter mixture. I use approximately 2 spoons here. So this batter will make 2 pancakes for your baby, which is more than enough. I'm going to just make it round and round, turn it round and round so that it takes shape of this pan, and then keep it in the low flame itself. And then I'm going to cover it with this dhakkan. Why I am covering this? Because I want it to be cooked properly from here itself before I flip it over. And how do we know that it's cooked? Can you see this light, that white color is getting into a solid form? And once it's completely solid, we'll flip it over. So just almost 30 seconds to 1 minute will take, and then we will flip it to the other side. So it's almost a minute, and let's see. Can you see? It's already hardened and it has come out. It's slipping from the bottom now. It's cooked from one side. Can you see the color? How beautiful it looks. Now we'll cook it from the other side. Now this time we don't have to cover it because it's already cooked from that side. We just need to make it little brownish. So let's make it little brown. Cook. Let's see. Yes, it's cooked from the other side too. We don't have to make it little more crispy because it's for the baby. Otherwise he'll not be able to eat it. It's done. We'll make the other one. So you see, both the uttapam or pancakes are ready. Now what I'm going to do, before making your baby eat, you have to drizzle honey. That's my superfood, power pack superfood. Just drizzle a little bit of honey, and if your baby likes it more, then you can add more honey to it. see that? So this is ready. Now what you have to sing? Yum, yum in my tummy.